welcome back. It's me, Miss Foster, and today we're going to make a pretty cool artwork. And we're going to be thinking about the constellation, so the stars in the sky, and we are going to be making our own constellation that's going to spell out our names. My name is Miss Foster, so mine says Miss Foster. Yours is going to say your name, okay? So you don't have to call me exactly what I have here, but you're going to use the same principles and the same technique in order to create your own name constellation. Today we're using my favorite technique, watercolor resist, so we're going to need a piece of watercolor paper, our watercolors, and a light colored crayon. That could be white, yellow, maybe a light green. Any light colored crayon will work just great for this project. So go ahead and grab your materials and let's get started. everyone, it's me again, Miss Foster. I'm just here to remind you to hit the subscribe button if you like these videos and you want to see more. I also want to remind you that these videos are created in partnership with Painting Pandas, which is an awesome nonprofit organization here in Austin, Texas, that provides free art instruction and free art supplies to any kid who needs them. If you would like to learn more, donate, or sign up for a live class with me, go ahead and click the link that's in the description below, www.paintingpandas.org. All right, I'll see you next time.